Hey Otto. Just having some fun in the fridge? Yeah.
Come on, Kai. Hui! Come on! Kai, come on! Come on! Good boy, good boy.
All right, Justin, what do we got here?
What's in
Check it out.
the fridge?
I got some Tabasco, sour cream, some corn.
What's that? Oh!
I'm looking for my cat. Look at this mom. Yo, get your ass out the fridge, you greedy ass cat.
Ruben, get out of the fridge. Come on, out. Get out of the fridge. Get out. Come on.
What is there to eat? Salsa. Martinelli's. Oh, there's a cat in there. I can't eat you. Well, I guess I could.
Geez, I sure am hungry. Wonder what I got in the fridge. What are you doing in here?
This is what you get for forgetting to shut your fridge. A kitty cat. In my fridge. What is this? Forget to shut your damn fridge?
Is it on?
Yes.
Here she is. What the hell?
There's a cat in my refrigerator.
Oh, hello.
Let me show you. I know, right? He's actually stuck in the fridge, I think. Are you stuck in the fridge, kitty? Oh, there you are. You're gonna come out now. I nudged him close to the fridge and then he left.